So hi guys, welcome to this session. So in my earlier sessions, I have taught you all the disease aspects like coarctation of an aorta, tetralogy of involved, and Epstein anomaly and all. No, and I thought you I'll be teaching chest X-rays separately. So let us look at this chest X-rays very carefully. Look at the chest X-ray over here, like no. So this is where look at and tell me what is this? This is a boot. No, this is also known as boot-shaped heart. So boot-shaped heart is seen in. This is an example of tetralogy of palate. I have taught you in my earlier classes also tetralogy of a palate, boot-shaped heart is seen. So what is the reason for this boot-shaped heart? Is remember in TOF what will be happen? Right ventricular get hypertrophy. So whenever this right ventricle will get hypertrophy, look at this. So whenever the right ventricles will get hypertrophy, right ventricles will getting hypertrophy. So left ventricle will this apex is also get occupied by this right ventricle. So that way you will get this boot-shaped heart. Look at the dot how I have drawn over in this chest X-ray. So this is about boot-shaped heart, where you will find in tetralogy of Fallot. Why it is found? Because of this right ventricular hypertrophy. So this is about tetralogy of Fallot. And next, what is this? This is a box. So this is a box-shaped heart. Box-shaped heart, where you will find in Epstein anomaly. So, like what will be happen in Epstein anomaly? I thought the blood is going from right ventricle to right atrium because there is a downward displacement of this tricuspid valve. The blood will start moving into the right atrium. So, like you will get this bigger right atrium. Look at this right atrium is very big, and you will not find this right ventricle only. So, like atrialization is takes placing. So that's why like so much amount of blood is going to right atrium. So this is the reason. So look at the X-ray. So how it is looking like box. No, this is a box-shaped heart. Okay, box-shaped heart, where you will find in Epstein anomaly. Where is this? So what is this egg? So egg on string. This is seen in TGA, transposition of great arteries. So what actually happens over here is like heart is over heart here, it is looking like a shadow. What actually happen here, like what is this egg on string? So what actually happens in this TGA is there is a displacement of this aorta and pulmonary artery. No, like in this TGA, what it is happening is aorta is coming front, closer and closer, and pulmonary artery they are like this two parallel. So it looks like an egg over here. So it both is come and they will stand and look like an egg, and it looks like a string or like thread is hanging over the egg. So that is like egg on string, where you will find this in the TGA, transposition of great arteries. And what is this? This is a figure of 8. So where you are going to find TAPVC, okay, like pulmonary vein congestion and all, TAPVC. So this is a figure of 8 appearance. Figure of 8, or it is also known as snowman appearance, or it is also called cottage loaf appearance. So these are all very important chest X-rays, where you will find egg on string, right ventricular tetralogy of Fallot, Epstein anomaly, and TAPVC and all. So what is the reason why it is appearing 8 is, I'll rub this. So why it is appearing 8 is there is an SVC will get dilated. Superior vena cava is getting dilation. Whenever it undergo dilation, like it will pulls this right atrium towards this side, and left they look like an 8 over here. So that's why due to this SVC dilation only you are getting this figure of 8 appearance. Sorry. And what is this epiglottis? No. So on laryngoscopy, what you will find this is an omega sign. No. On laryngoscopy, you find this omega shaped epiglottis. Where you will find this in laryngomalacia. I have taught in my earlier classes also. So this is an omega shaped epiglottis on laryngoscopy. And look at this. What sign is this? Arrow. So on the church you will find this is an steeple. This is an steeple sign. This is an steeple sign. Where you are gonna find this steeple sign? In croup, or it is also called acute tracheolaryngobronchitis, ATLB. Okay. And next X-ray. Look at the arrow. This is a thumb over here. Okay, thumb sign. So I will rub. So look at the arrow over here, how it is looking. So it is looking like a thumb, no, like your thumb. So this is a thumb sign where you will find in acute epiglottitis. So this is the thumb sign. Where you will find in acute epiglottitis. Acute epiglottitis. Okay. So this is the thumb sign. And yes, tell me this, what is this part? This is the narrowest part of your pylorus. Your pylorus is getting narrow. So look at this, it is not broad, it is narrowing. So this is the best example of congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis. This is known as string sign. So where you are going to find this? In congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis. Okay, string sign. Narrowing of the pylorus. And what is this? Look at this diagram carefully. So what is this? So how many bubbles you are finding? 1 and 2. This is known as double bubble sign. So where you will find this? Tell me. In duodenal atresia. Double bubble sign is seen in duodenal atresia. And what is this? This is a triple bubble sign. 1, 2, 3. So this is triple bubble sign. Where you will find in jejunal atresia. Okay. So these are all about chest X-rays. So in which conditions you will going to see what are all the X-rays and all. So I have concised for you. So double bubble sign and all. So look at go through these X-rays once. This is very important. Like what are all the X-rays? So where you will find this thumb sign and all. So this is about X-rays, lateral X-rays, and laryngo, omega shape, agon string. All this upper part is very important for your exams. And this is about chest X-rays in pediatrics. And thank you guys. Thank you for hearing.